Hi, my name is Sue Glover. I was employed by Baptist Health, it was Arkansas Baptist Hospital, in 1967, and I retired in 2005. I went to school at Arkansas Baptist Nursing School, and I entered in 1959, graduated in 1962. And I came back to Baptist as a full-time employee in 1967. There was no intensive care in our hospital when I first started. And then we had the coronary care unit and the intensive care unit at the old hospital. And we were able to move those patients into the new hospital when we opened here. We had lots of exciting things happen as we were getting ready on Saturday, thinking in terms of opening up on Sunday. I made my final rounds through the intensive care units and looked up on the walls and realized we had not one blood pressure machine attached to the walls. So I called my husband. I asked the supervisor of the intensive care, Sandra Ward, call John, see if he'll come, bring his drill. So they came, and until about 3 o'clock that morning, they hung blood pressure machines in the surgical intensive care, the coronary care unit, and the recovery room, making sure that we had what we needed to take care of the patients on Sunday morning. Lots of things were done that you don't usually do, just to make sure that everything was ready to go in the new hospital. So that was exciting. I needed something done on several occasions that I would ask the contractors to do for me, to just get on with getting things ready. And one of the supervisors of the contractors came to me one day and he said, "I wish I could get these guys to work as hard for me as they work for you." So, we just sort of did what we had to do to get things rolling. We would work our regular shift at the hospital, and then we would come over here, and in the area that is now Central Supply on the ground floor was the storage of all the equipment that was going to be put into the tower, and it was beds and it was scales, and we had ordered new scales for weighing patients. And we looked and we looked and we looked, and we would climb up over all the stuff down there, looking to see, does this box have anything on it? 2 years later, after we'd moved in, we found those scales in a storage facility off-site.